Okay, this was the little one, the small one. Let's see what's inside the big box. So we remove the connection, the upper part, and we will remove the top cover. Nice, this is a big drone. This is the biggest one what we have. The L50 has almost the same components as the L30, but everything is bigger. It has a 50-liter capacity of tank. This drone is also available with spreading system. With spreading system, you can fill really high volume of material. 90 pounds what you can fill inside the tank. Nice. Okay. This drone is obviously heavier, so we need 2 people to move it in this position. So let's see the components. We have the controller. With the controller, I will turn it on. We use the same application as the L30 V2 or the L10 V2 drone. The same application, the same functions as this drone, the other drones can do. We have the battery. This battery is really big. We operate this drone with 4 batteries. We can charge with 2 chargers, 2 batteries, 1 in the rest phase and 1 flying the drone. Okay, I will take in place here. It's heavy, it's 30,000 mAh. You can see that these arms are really huge, really big. It has the same arm fix structures, components than the L30. I will open the props. Nice, that's it. This is the L50. What you can wait from this machine? If you operate this machine in spraying operations, then it has the 13 gallons tank. You have the top filter system and the secondary filter system inside. We have tank empty sensor, we have weight cells, we have many sensors on the drone. Also, we can reach up to 45 to 60 acres per hour. The maximum speed when it's flying in automatic mission, it's 8 meters per second as the other one. This is around 18 miles per hour. So yeah, 18 miles per hour. That is a really high speed for spraying. And if we change the spreader tank, then we can fill up to 130 pounds of material. So I will turn on the drone. It will turn on as the other one. It has 2 pumps on the tank. It has 2 CDA on the backwards arms, 2 arms. We can reach up to 12 meters of spraying. In feet, this 12 meter is around almost 40 feet what we can handle with this. So we will take off and fly with it a little bit. The operation is the same as the L30 V2 or the L10, just it's the biggest one. It needs some space. So take off. So it's a really heavy drone, but it has really powerful motors, really big propellers. So without the tank, it's nothing for the propeller. It's a beautiful big bird. You can see this drone also has the LiDAR sensor that we use with the L30 or L10. We will follow the terrain with the LiDAR sensor. We use an FPV camera in front of the drone. We can tilt it from the controller. We can see live view. We have also available with the night kit for night operations. We use also dual RTK solution for calculating the heading. It's really stable as the others. The pump's maximum operation is about 16 liters per minute. You can change it to gallon per minute also. So fill with water, then take off. This tank is almost the same as the L30, but bigger size. So we cannot remove it for filling, because it's a heavy payload. So we need to fill with water across these 2 filling hole. It's really funny when I started to work with the spraying drone. That was the big one. This is the CDA technology, totally the same as we use it in the L30 V2 or in the L10 V2. So I can activate from the ground, it will spray, it will make the droplet sizes with the CDA, rotating discs. Nice, I will turn it off. So let's do some spraying jobs. Okay, I will take off. Nice, I will activate the sprayer because it has higher downwards airflow and also high speed. You can reach up to 12 meter or spraying width, almost 40 feet. This big drone is effective in traditional agriculture fields, but not just there. Because of the big capacity of tank, you can use it effectively on fruit plantations, for example, with higher spraying rate. I didn't speak about the flight time because the flight time is just a number what we have to optimize for spraying. So it's every drone, for the small one, for the L30, for the L50, the operating time when we use one battery with one flying, it's around 8 to 12 minutes. It's according to the conditions, the flight speed and etc. Otherwise, it doesn't matter, I think. This is not a camera drone. It's not a consumer drone. It's a heavy-duty action drone for spraying.